ever found yourself wondering how it's possible for some individuals to make a hefty profit without having a warehouse full of goods? Well, the secret might just be dropshipping. Today, we're going to unravel this intriguing concept and show you how you too can venture into it. Dropshipping, in its simplest form, is a business model where you, the retailer, do not keep goods in stock. Instead, you transfer your customers' orders and shipment details to either the manufacturer, another retailer, or a wholesaler, who then ships the goods directly to the customer. In other words, you're the liaison between the customer and the supplier. Imagine the elegance of this model. You don't have to worry about inventory or the logistics of shipping. Your main focus? Marketing your products and providing top-notch customer service. It's a model that redefines the traditional understanding of retail. Now, you might be asking, how does one make money from dropshipping? Well, it all boils down to a few key strategies. First and foremost, selecting the right niche is paramount. You want to find a product category that is in demand but not overly saturated. It's about striking the perfect balance. Then comes the setting up of your online store. With platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, creating your own store and getting your products out there can be a breeze. But remember, having an online store is only half the battle won. The real game changer is your marketing strategy, harnessing the power of social media, capitalizing on influencer partnerships, and implementing targeted ads can drive traffic to your store and boost your sales. But like any business model, dropshipping isn't without its pitfalls. It's crucial to partner with reliable suppliers. Building a solid relationship with them is a cornerstone of a successful dropshipping venture. And let's not forget about customer service. It's one thing to get customers to your store, it's another to keep them coming back. Addressing customer concerns promptly can help maintain a positive reputation and foster customer loyalty. So, there you have it, an overview of dropshipping, a business model that's redefining the world of retail. Remember, success in dropshipping isn't just about selling products, it's about strategy, adaptability, and dedication. So, if you're ready to take the plunge, arm yourself with knowledge and persistence. Until next time, happy dropshipping.